Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rajesh Kamar as your companion on this journey to a healthier and more aligned self. In our previous video, we explored Vrikshasana tree pose. In today's session, let's delve into Ardha Chandrasana half moon pose. We will break it down step by step, talking about the pose's shape, how to get into it, what to focus on during the pose, how to get out of it, and the benefits it offers. We will practice together. Grab your mat and let's begin. Are you ready? Today's pose is Ardha Chandrasana half moon pose. It is a standing balance pose where one leg is straight and one leg is extended off the ground and parallel to the ground. One arm extends down with the hand on the floor or brick, and the other arm reaches upwards while the torso extends sideways with gaze up. Ardha Chandrasana half moon pose. To set up your two bricks on the back side of your mat, we will do this pose with bricks and we'll go in this pose from Utthita Trikonasana. Start with mountain pose. Big toes, inner heels are touching, legs straight, arms by your side. Bend your leg, jump or step your feet wide apart. Trunk extended, arm reaching, turn your left foot in, turn your right leg all the way out. On an exhale, bring your right hand down on the brick, Utthita Trikonasana. Bring your left hand on your waist, then bend your right leg, slide your bricks 6 to 12 inch away from you, align with your little toe side. Simultaneously bring your left foot in, then press your right hand into the brick as you straighten your right leg, lift your left leg up from the floor. Then reach your left arm up. Press down through right big toe mount, right leg is straight. Turn your right upper thigh inside out. Reach through your left big toe. Press your right hand into the brick. Extend your right arm down towards the floor, left arm reaching up. Trunk extended towards the right side, left leg reaching through the big toes towards the left side. Then turn your head and look up. To come out, look in front. Press down through your right foot, bend your right leg, bring your left leg back, slide your hand back, Utthita Trikonasana. Then press down into your outer left heel, pull through your left arm, inhale, come up. Then turn your feet to the parallel and then we repeat on another side. Turn your right foot in, turn your left leg all the way out. Trunk extended, arm reaching, exhale and bring your left hand down, triangle pose. Bring your right hand on your waist, bend your left leg, slide your brick in line with your little toe side. Simultaneously bring your right foot in, press your left hand into the brick. As you straighten your left leg, bring your right leg off the floor. Then bring your right arm up. Press down through your left big toe. Press down through center of your left heel. Turn your left thigh inside out. Reach through your right big toe. Press your left hand into the brick. Reach your right arm up towards the ceiling. Trunk extended towards left. Right leg reaching towards the right. Then turn your head and look up. To come out, look in front, press down through your left foot, bend your left leg, bring your right leg back and reach in Utthita Trikonasana. Then press into your outer right heel, pull through your right arm, inhale, come up, turn your feet, bend your leg, jump or step back to mountain pose. We did this pose with brick, but if you are ready and comfortable, you can bring your hand down on the floor. So we will quickly see that. Start with mountain pose Tadasana. Bend your leg, jump or step your feet wide apart, and then turn your left foot in, turn your right leg all the way out. Exhale, Utthita Trikonasana. Bend your right leg, slide your left foot in, bring your right hand down on the floor. As you press your right hand, press your right foot, then straighten your right leg as you bring your left leg off the floor. Press down into your right foot, reach through your left big toe, press your right hand down into the floor, extend your left arm up, then turn your head and look up. To come out, look in front, bend your right leg, reach through your left leg and come in Utthita Trikonasana. Press into your outer left heel, pull through your left arm, inhale, come up, turn your feet and then repeat on another side. Turn your right foot in, turn your left leg all the way out. On an exhale, come in Utthita Trikonasana. Bend your left leg, slide your right foot in, bring your left hand down on the floor. Press your left hand down into the floor as you straighten your left leg. Lift your right leg off the floor. Press down through your left foot. Left leg is straight. Reach through your right big toe mount. Press your left hand into the floor, right arm reaching up, trunk extend towards the left. Then turn your head and look up. To come out, look in front. Press down through your left foot. Bend your left leg, reach through your right leg and come in Utthita Trikonasana. Press into your outer right heel, pull through your right arm. Inhale, come up. Turn your feet, bend your leg, jump or step back to mountain pose. For the modification, if you have a stiff body, you need higher height, so we can use a chair for Ardha Chandrasana. So let me show you how to use it. So bring your chair in front of your mat, so the chair bar is facing front side of the room, and then bring your right leg in front, bring your left leg back, then bend your right leg, bring your right forearm on the seat of the chair, then press your left hand into the bar. As you straighten your right leg, lift your left leg off the floor. Press down through your right foot, right leg is straight. Press your right forearm into the chair. As you press your left palm, turn your trunk, extend your trunk, reach through your left big toe. Then bend your leg, bring your left leg down, inhale, come up, and then bring the chair on another side and repeat on the other side same way. Okay. Another modification of Ardha Chandrasana, those who find it difficult to make balance independently in the center of the room. So we can practice this pose by bringing our whole body against the wall. So you can use the brick as we did in the pose. So we do this pose against the wall. You can bring your brick and then your right foot, I'm not mirroring this time, so your right foot is 3-4 inches away from the wall. Then bend your right leg and bring your right hand on the brick and straighten your left leg as your whole back body is supported by the wall. Your back heel or your left heel is supported by the wall. Then you can bring your left arm up. Press down through your left big toe. Press down through the center of your right heel. Reach through your left big toe. As you are supported, you can do this pose. Extend your trunk towards the right. Your left leg reaching towards the left. Then bend your right leg. Bring your left foot down. Then inhale, come up. Turn your feet. And then same way repeat on the another side. Benefits of Ardha Chandrasana. This pose aids in the rehabilitation of injured legs, strengthens the lumbar spine and alleviates gastric discomfort. It also provides relief from back pain and helps manage dysmenorrhea, which is known as painful periods. This pose offers notable advantages for women, particularly addressing gynecological issues. In this series of yoga poses, we will practice another pose in our next video. Thank you for joining me on this journey to better alignment through yoga. Please support by liking, subscribing and hitting the notification bell to stay informed about our wellness journey together. Share your thoughts. What do you think about these videos in the comments below? Until next time, stay aligned, stay mindful. Namaste.